Even though the ban on commercial whaling has been agreed, the international community has failed to stop the hunt. Once again, this year, the Fisheries Agency of Japan intends to hunt 945 whales. Once again, Greenpeace is returning to the Southern Ocean Whale Sanctuary to defend the whales and call for an immediate end to the annual hunt referred to as scientific whaling. 35 crew members from 13 different nations will tell the story of a long journey. They're heading out in search of the whalers to take a non-violent stand against them. They'll have to hunt the hunters and locate them, but this is never an easy task. They're not going to stand by. They'll spend 60 days at sea. They'll risk their lives in the freezing Antarctic waters to protect whales. Put themselves in the line of fire in front of the harpoons which will be fired over their heads. None of them will ever forget what they've seen or ever give up. We are hoping that this struggle will inspire people to help defend whales, and that this will be the last time the peaceful silence of the sanctuary is interrupted by the sound of a grenade-tipped harpoon. This journey is just about to start, and an impressive amount of work has to be done. This is where you come in. This is your opportunity to be there. All of us can tell the world why whaling must stop. Help save the whales and be part of the action. It's your chance to really get involved wherever you are and give the whales a fighting chance of survival. Together, we can end commercial whaling once and for all. Support us. Join us. Help us. Be part of the biggest crew Greenpeace ever sailed with. Get on board and be part of IGO.